Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Jason. Welcome to the channel. I just wanted to do this video real quick to show you how the Docker Swarm initialization process works, because I'd like to do a little video tutorial series on running a Docker Swarm. I think it's great for self-hosted applications. So I wanted to just demonstrate from the beginning basically what to do. So I went ahead and created some virtual machines. These are just simple Ubuntu server virtual machines. They all run a single core. They're only 2 gigs of RAM. All I've done is installed OpenSSH server so I can SSH into them. And then I've put Docker on them, and then I've added my standard user account into the Docker group. So to begin, all you have to do is run your Docker Swarm init on your manager in Docker Swarm. They're called managers and nodes. So I have 2 Docker nodes and a Docker manager. So on my manager, I'm going to say Docker Swarm init. Now you're going to, after you run that, it becomes just like that. This becomes the manager. And to join this manager, all you have to do is, well, I guess they're also called workers. All you have to do is now Docker Swarm join, copy this token. Let's go ahead and head over to our first node and join and join. Okay, so that's it. Now we have a single manager and 2 nodes. So let's just go ahead and come back here and do a Docker node ls and list. And you can see, just like that, we have our manager, 2 nodes, or our workers, and we are basically ready to go. Just like that, we've initialized a Docker Swarm. I think in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually deploy a service. When you run a swarm over just a regular Docker run, what it'll do is it'll kind of round robin through these different nodes. So the manager, the node, or the second node. What it'll do is it'll kind of just round robin through them depending on the application you're running. So I think what I'll do with the next episode is we'll write a YAML file to do like a self-hosted vault warden, and we'll take a look at that and see exactly how that works. Okay, thank you.